as you might already know, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. But this time it's not slimes, it is random toys. Which one should I do first? The LOL magazine, the secret surprise egg, or the putty slime? I don't know. See you when I think. Cheesy fans, I've decided first I'm going to do the LOL magazine toys. So let's get it all opened. Oh. Whoa. Look at this. Whoa. There's a stretchy ruler. Look, you can put it like that. Or just like that, where you get shapes and the LOL. Look, it makes a massive ruler there, and you can fold it up to make it shorter. How cool is that, cheesy fans? And we have 2 LOL pencils. Look at those. There's a pink one, and there's a purple one. And then, cheesy fans, there's ATS baby. It's a cool little sharpener, so I can sharpen them so they will work as pencils. And then, oh wow, there's a pencil case that I'm going to put them all in. Watch this, cheesy fans. There's a squishy in there. These don't fit. Oh well, see you in the next part. Next up is the cool cotton candy cutie slime. Oh my god, this is massive and so fluffy. Ooh, it actually does smell like cotton candy. Look at that, cheesy fans. It's so amazing. If you can't tell how fluffy this is, cheesy fans, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, it has glitter inside as well. I love the purpleness. See you when I get all this cleaned up. Cheesy fans, the next thing I'm going to be unboxing is this cool Kinder Surprise egg. It looks really big. So first we've got the brown Play-Doh. Let's get it all opened. Whoa, that kind of looks like poo. Oh my gosh, it's poo scented. Ew. Ew. So the next thing is this mini LOL. Let's get it opened. Slime putty. I want to smell a squishy. Let me look for squishy. There's one here. This is ultra rare. I remember. I looked at the collector's sky before and I said this one was ultra rare. And then we've got another squishy. It's a donut squishy. This is ultra rare too. And we dig deep. And then we got an LOL little sister. And last thing that was in here. So, cheesy fans, I'm not gonna clean this all up. I'm just gonna leave it. What's that? OMG. See you when I get all this opened. Cheesy fans, I got it all open. Now let's try it. It's so good. I love this. It's amazing. It does taste strawberry because it says strawberry flavor on here. And it actually does taste like a gummy bear. It's just amazing. So after this video, you have to have a try. So cheesy fans, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, comment below, give me a big thumbs up, and turn the notification bell on, and comment if you have any suggestions for my video. So, bye cheese fans. Kitty, I never said to start recording.
Well, I did.
Stop. No, seriously now. Stop. Hi cheesy fans, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sally. I know. Kitty, stop. Come in. Cheesy fans, I think it's about time to tell you my boyfriend. This.